Hello, welcome back to StockShark. Let's look at next week trading plan for 16th August 2021. A lot of interesting thing happened last week. Let's dive into some of these things and where we are heading to get some idea. So as usual, I'm pulling SPY ETF weekly candle. Wanted to see where we are heading. You look at RSI is definitely diverging. The momentum is going down. RSI is diverging, um, uh, but the price is going up, right? A bit careful. Again, as I mentioned last week, still bullish because the reason is there is no major impact on the COVID cases. That is a major theme. That's maintaining that that led market to maintain that momentum. Being said that momentum is really going down, so be watchful. And RSI divergence is happening, but still it's in the bullish zone. So I'm targeting 447 to 450. Thereafter we have to evaluate, but August is always a dull time. So but ADX shows still momentum is intact. The plan is continue to ride the momentum and enjoy the price momentum while it lasts. But I would nip it. Some of the gains made in last few weeks, so that one can be prepared. Eventual slide that will begin. Either end of this month or starting next month, September. Just we got to be very careful on that. Let's look at the delta infection worry, right? If you look at the daily cases are going up, but it's look like a flattening right now. That is how I look at here. It's flattening, or it's look like a peaking right now. So if so next week goes close, I mean, probably would closely watch this whether curve is going down. If it going again up, then all the bets on the reflection trades, on the economy reopening trades like Disney, Walmart, all those are the risk of trade would be in place. So watch over these cases. Right now it's look close to peaking. So that is how I interpret this graph, but still one has to be careful. What would be the next week action plan? I will continue to watch on infection cases. Then I'm also looking at 10-year yield, which is closed at 1.28 on this Friday. So if it going down again, the momentum on growth stock will resume. Momentum stocks like Square, PayPal, Visa, those are all growth stock, growth technology stocks. So I would play on that if 10-year yield coming down. But if it goes up, then the theme is this economy reopening trade. So like financials like Goldman Sachs or Walmart or Disney, those things will come into the play. Also, I'm closely watching at crude, which is closed at 68. Again, it's the infection worry actually made this oil to go down. So if it continue to go down, that is a kind of worrisome for the broader market. But that will also help inflation to come down as well. So it plays on both sides. But if it goes up, then I would definitely play on energy plays like Exxon or the ETF XLE. But if it is going down, then the growth play, technical growth stocks are definitely will resume uptrend. Now then VIX is now yearly low at 15.45. Closely watch this. If it goes up again, one has to be careful. Small cap 2000 ETF look like IDM. Sorry, IWM. which is not gaining traction at all. It's gets stuck at the trading range between 215 and 225. So that's something I would be very cautious, because all major indices like SPY, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq 100 going up, but small cap is not yet to catch. So that is a bit worrisome, because that is what happened back in January, February 2020. Then all these big indices started going down. So I wouldn't, better careful on that. Then there is no major economic report getting released next week. So it's a quite weak. So market could move up or move down, exaggerate that moves because of thin trading desk presence by the institutions. Let's look at some of this, bigger cap, the big tech cap like MSFT. I think it's going up, and resumed its uptrend and trying to catch Apple market cap. I would closely watch on 300. I think it's on the way to 300. I'm still bullish on this. Momentum is turning up. RSI is in bullish zone. ADX is definitely shows a bullish, and the trend setting is 31, which shows bias towards upward. So I think this is going on 300. Um, Next one is Square. Again, Square is really consolidating. It's been consolidating between 260 and 275. So it has to break. I'm a bit disappointed. It's not breaking all-time high. Last week it closed down. So I would anticipate that next week it will resume uptrend. I'm expecting that this will, break this 275, 280 area. See, this particular stock, I always look at weekly candle. I don't look at the daily candle, because it goes up and goes down like 10 bucks, 15 bucks on daily basis. So to reduce the noise, look at the weekly candle. I'm still, I don't like this long wick that shows, a lot of sellers came in and dumped it. But ADX is still in a bullish zone. Then if you look at RSI is still, it's in bullish zone. Momentum is still upward showing. So I'm anticipating, this will be resuming uptrend on the way to 300 in next few weeks. So and the last one, we are looking at Snowflake. If you want to know the fundamentals of Snowflake, look at my prior video that I released about the business model, etc. I'm really bullish on Snowflake. This is the next generation database, and taking market share from likes of Oracle, Sybase, etc. It resumed uptrend, as I mentioned in my prior videos. It's on the way to 325. See, this is reporting earnings on the 20th week of August of this month, right? So I think 23rd or 25th it's stated to report its earning. So earning momentum is coming back, and I'm pretty sure that it's it will cross 300 very soon, and it's on the way to 325. But depends on the earning, it will go down or go up from 325. But I think it would consolidate around 320 for between 300 and 320 for quite some time, because here you'll see a lot of people bought who would unwind when it reaches 320, 325. So but still I'm bullish. The chart looks very bullish. That is how I put it in. So if you that's all, folks, for this week. If you like the video, please subscribe to it. I time to time I post various individual stocks for great play. And good luck for next week trading plan. Take care.